Shenyang J-31 aircraft. Shenyang J-31, national origin, China, role, stealth multi-role fighter, manufacturer, Shenyang Aircraft Corporation. Performance, maximum speed, 2,200 km per hour, combat range, 1,250 km, service ceiling, 65,616 feet. Power plant. Power by, 2 RD-93 engine, 85 kN thrust each engine. Power by, 2 WS-13E engine, 101 kN thrust each engine. Radar specifications, KLJ-7A active electronically scanned array, transmit-receive modules, TRM, 1000 to 1200, minimum range, 170 km, maximum range, 270 km. Missiles. PL-9 short-range missile, PL-12 medium-range missile, PL-15 beyond visual range missile, PL-21 long-range missile. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.